Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard templates in Next.js React latest version. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see, you can see the multiple dashboard. I can see the multiples sales, analytics, e-commerce, CRM, crypto, NFT, projects, job, HRM courses, stocks, medical, POS, and so on, podcast, school, and social media. So first, we'll go with the sales dashboard. The toggle nav, box wall, or top, dark and light. Oh, wait, the dark is very great. The cart items, notifications, and so on. The settings toggle as well. So here's the content section. See, beautiful sections: sales, profit, revenue, customers. See the beautiful charts, sales revenue, listed by UI section as well. See, just beautiful. Guys, please share your views on it. And I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services as well. I am fully available. And next is analytic dashboard. See guys, analytic dashboard. See, just beautiful. Order overview, impression, new subscribers, session device, and so on. Next we have e-commerce dashboard, friends. E-commerce dashboard. See, just brilliant. Orders, revenue, sales, new visitors, premium product section as well, sales history, monthly income, great, track orders, selling products, and so on. Recent orders table as well. And next we have the CRM. See guys, the CRM dashboard, just amazing. Active user, deal revenue, ratio, see, talk list, project analysis, leads overview section as well, the beautiful section, see guys. And next we have the crypto dashboard. See guys, see BNB, ADA, Ethereum, Bitcoin, total balance, crypto stats. See the beautiful chart as well. So guys, also I must say few things. Please subscribe my channel, please support me, and if you will have any kind of queries, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog. This is contact us page. You will get my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Upwork ID as well. Guys, also full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services, and you can get the multiple free things like for Angular, React.js, Next.js, Python, WordPress, Laravel, and so on. All of free, of course. And back to dashboard. And next we have the NFT dashboard. See guys, the NFT dashboard. See, just beautiful card, explore artwork. See, great, beautiful. Top NFT collections, statics, feature NFTs, and history and latest beats as well. And next we have the project dashboard. See guys, and the project dashboard. See, earnings code, project category, so on, blah blah blah, so many things you can see, and I will show you fastly. And next we have the jobs dashboard. Wait, jobs, employees, locations, resume, active subscribers, and see, so on, blah blah blah, so many things you will see on my Lappy as well. And next we have which one, HRM dashboard. See guys, the beautiful HRM dashboard. Wait, beautiful charts, employees, clients, just brilliant. And next we have courses dashboard. Wait, the courses dashboard, guys, see, just amazing. And next we have the stocks dashboard. Amazon, Bitcoin, Apple, Samsung, so on, total portfolios, and beautiful chart. See. And next we have the medical dashboard. See guys, the medical dashboard as well. Great. And next we have POS System. See guys, the beautiful chart. Category, order summary, see, just beautiful. Podcast dashboard for you, my friends. Wait. School dashboard, variant, and the social media. So guys, see, there are multiple dashboards. And friends, again I must say, if you will have any kind of query, session requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also visit my blog, and after it I will come with more dashboard. And friends, don't forget to subscribe, like and share my channel. And also please let me know which one of your favorite dashboard. And in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.